Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're moving inside the house to learn some very useful English words for bedroom furniture and items. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to name the most common things you find in a bedroom and use them confidently in English. Let's get started.
Let's begin with the big, important furniture pieces you usually find in a bedroom. Bed. A piece of furniture for sleeping on, usually with a frame and a mattress. Wardrobe. A tall cupboard where you hang or store your clothes. Dresser. A piece of furniture with drawers for storing clothes. Side table or nightstand. A small table beside the bed for a lamp, books, or an alarm clock. Desk. A table for studying, writing, or working. Chair. A seat for one person, usually with 4 legs and a back. Now let's talk about the items that give us light and add style to the room. Lamp. A device for giving light, often on a table or standing on the floor. Ceiling light or chandelier. A light fixed at the top of the room. Mirror. A glass surface that reflects your image. Clock. A device that shows the time, often placed on the wall or nightstand. Next, we have items that make the bedroom more comfortable and cozy. Rug. Area rug. A small carpet covering part of the floor. Curtains. Pieces of fabric hanging at the window for privacy or decoration. Pillows. Soft cushions used to rest your head while sleeping. Blanket or quilt. A warm cover for the bed. Bookshelf. A piece of furniture for keeping books or decorations. Finally, here are some extra bedroom components you might also find. Drawer. A sliding box in furniture used for storing things. Closet. A small space or cupboard built into the wall for clothes or shoes. Dressing table or vanity. A table with a mirror, often used for makeup or grooming. Alarm clock. A clock that wakes you up at a set time. Laundry basket. A container where you put dirty clothes before washing.
Great work, everyone! Now you know the most common bedroom furniture and items in English. Try looking around your own bedroom and naming everything you see. It's a great way to practice. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.